So in algebra, we had the rule of exponents, where if you have two numbers of the same base that are dividing, their powers can subtract. That's probably the best way to approach this problem, is to simplify that way. We got 1/3 subtracted by 2/3, it makes x to the negative 1/3 power. Now to find the antiderivative, we want to find the indefinite integral. And when we find an antiderivative of something with a power, that's a constant, that is, the power increases by 1 because that's the opposite direction a derivative takes. Right? Derivative usually decrease by 1. And this is almost the antiderivative, but right now if we were to take a derivative of this, a 2/3 would come down and multiply, and then it could be reduced by 1. So we'd have 2/3 x to the negative 1/3 power. So that's close, but not quite, because we're not supposed to have a 2/3 here. So we can cancel out that 2/3 by putting a 3/2 in front, and then plus some constant c out here, because there's this could be +1, +2, +3. If you were to take a derivative, a constant derivative would be 0. So we always have to have that arbitrary constant if there's no limits of integration.